remember when I told you that sometimes an animal just doesn't fit into the nice, orderly charts that scientists have created to classify the animals? Well, the discovery of two creatures in the order Monotremata really caused scientists to pause and ponder, wondering what on earth to do with these creatures. You see, both of these types of animals have hair, feed the young with milk they produce themselves, yet they lay eggs. This posed a dilemma for scientists. Before the discovery of these two creatures, only animals such as birds, amphibians, reptiles, and arthropods were known to be egg layers. Remember what we call such animals? You learned that we call them oviparous. Mammals, on the other hand, are viviparous, giving birth to living young. How can these animals be mammals if they lay eggs? Well, in the end, the members of this order, platypus and the spiny anteater, are classified with mammals. When the first specimen of a dead platypus was brought to an English scientist from Australia, it was thought to be a fake. They thought someone had sewn a duckbill and a beaver tail to a mammal, adding some strange creature's legs and feet. No animal in creation looked anything like this oddity. They even tried to cut off the bill to see if it was authentic. Eventually, however, a live specimen was brought to England. At that point, then scientists had to admit that it was a real animal. Even after that, however, the platypus was still not accepted as a mammal because scientists had determined that it lay eggs. However, when it was learned that the platypus nursed its young with its own milk, scientists created a new place in their mammal chart for the platypus. The platypus is designed for water, possessing a thick coat of waterproof fur that covers its entire body except its feet and bill. Its tail is large and flat like a beaver's, and its bill has nostrils on the top so it can easily breathe as it swims at the surface of the water. Its bill is not hard like a duck's bill, however, it's soft and leathery. Adults lack teeth but have horny plates on their jaw for chewing. Male platypuses have an interesting weapon, a small, hard, hollow spur connected to a gland that makes poison. If you were stuck by the spur, you would experience extreme pain as the venom worked its way through your body. When the female is ready to bear young, she usually lays 2 sticky eggs in a special nursery chamber of her burrow, and she waits there without eating until they hatch. In about 10 days, the newborns burst out of their shells ready to eat. While the mother does nurse her young, they don't latch onto her like most mammal babies. Instead, the mother's milk glands drip milk onto her fur and the young lap it up from there. The amazing bill of the platypus is a testament to the fact that it was created by God. Early on, scientists who studied the platypus noticed that it hunts underwater with its eyes and ears shut. They assumed it's poking through the mud of a river or a lake with its bill, grabbing anything it happened to hit. As they learned more, however, they found that the platypus did not blunder around trying to find food. Instead, there's special nerves on the platypus's bill that are so sophisticated they can actually detect weak electric fields. The prey it loves to eat, mostly things like shrimp, worms, and insect larvae, produce electric fields underwater. The platypus's bill detects these fields even when the animals that make them are under mud and rocks. This amazing bill is more efficient than the best electric field sensor human science can produce. It is a stirring testament to the fact that the platypus was created by an awesome designer. The other strange egg-laying member of the order Monotremata is the echidna. It looks like a cross between a bird and an anteater and a hedgehog. These cat-like creatures have a thin beak, spines all over their back, and an appetite for ants, as well as other insects and small animals. Echidnas come in two different forms: short-beaked, found in Australia, and long-beaked, found in New Guinea. The main difference is the size of the nose. Both types can curl into a ball for protection, or if the ground is wet and soft, they can dig in the dirt and hunker down with only their spines sticking above the ground. One interesting feature of the echidna is its pouch. Yes, like a marsupial, the echidna keeps its newborn in a pouch. Of course, unlike the marsupial, the newborn hatches from an egg, but the mother lays in the pouch. The echidna only gives birth to one baby at a time, which stays in its mother's pouch until it begins to get those prickly spines. Then it's not really welcome in the pouch any longer.
That's all, folks.